business news. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, served 2,711 clients from the micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise sector in 2023, representing various industries. The information is contained in the Planning Institute of Jamaica's Economic and Social Survey Jamaica 2023, which was tabled in Parliament recently. Female-headed MSMEs comprised 50.7% of those assisted, while male-headed MSMEs accounted for 34.7%, with approximately 14.6% being owned. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited for the 6 months ended June 30, 2024, reports 6 months net profit of $13.92 million. For the quarter ended June 30, 2024, TJH recorded revenues of $19.9 million, reflecting a 9% increase of $1.7 million compared to revenues of $18.2 million for the comparative quarter in 2023. Revenue for the 6-month period closed on $39.7 million, up $3.5 million when compared to the $36.2 million earned for the same period in 2023. This increase was due to greater levels of traffic over the previous year, in addition to movements in the toll tariff, which is reviewed annually. Time now for a report on the movement in the stock exchange world from Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of August 8, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The following companies represent the volume leaders: hardware distributor Lumber Depot Limited with 3,014,929 units, representing 20.47% of the market value in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2,602,101 units, representing 17.66% in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 948,466 units, representing 6.44% in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 8, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $65.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.12 and bought the US dollars for $156.14. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.98, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.16 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.30 and bought for $114.14. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $5.63, selling it for $201.35 and buying it for $195.72. For the credit report tip of the day, we again look at the impact of unemployment on your credit, which is a massive asset in your financial portfolio, and then we look at how to rebuild it. So here are some steps to get you back on track. Seek professional help if needed. We want you to work with a reputable credit counseling service for personalized advice and to create a plan for improving your credit. Consider debt management plans to consolidate debts into one monthly payment. We want you to also monitor your credit regularly. So keep track of your progress by regularly checking your credit report and your credit score. This will help you to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments.